colors, video walls, LED video walls, non-touch displays both. And apart from that, I'm giving a floor. Showstopper, you can check it out on the back of my back on my back. So that is COB, that COB 0.91 pixel active LED video wall. We have launched this year itself, and this is the product which is very unique kind of thing. You can see the quality of the product here. The colors are much vibrant. It's totally. It surprises me also when I saw that this is for the first time I saw this product here. It surprises me also. I have been in this industry since I think 25 years now. When I see this product and when I see the other products of this same stature, same specs, I felt this is something very different and very good. I think it's already been launched in US. They have already launched it. And in I think ISC Netherlands also we launched it there itself. But in India it's the first launch. Very good. We have got a very positive feedback from all the these partners who are visiting here. They are into the business since decades and decades, and they are very expert in it. And we have got nobody has given us any negative feedback regarding this product, and that is a privilege for us. That is a very positive sign for us. Target customer base is like corporates, government also, education in the sense, education I won't say because this is the product which can be installed in higher education basically and auditoriums or boardrooms or the reception area or hospitality industry wherein you want to have a 4K image like home theaters, bigger home theaters, cinemas, that target audience. GST reforms are always there. Like wherever we have the stocks, of course GST reforms will impact. And like for example, to the end customer who doesn't get the claim of GST, it will impact them. The pricing part will impact them because they were ultimately ending up paying 10% extra. Like right now, after 22nd of September, it will be 28% taxes, and then afterwards it will be 18% taxes. So it will impact to the end customer. We have here, if you see here, we have future meeting room scenario which we are showing. We have PTZ cameras, which is 20x zoom PTZ cameras, and it can give you the directions. It can give you around 50 directions also. It can give you the view, and which are AI based. So it will track you, AI tracking with AI tracking. And then we have 21:9 21:9 aspect ratio panels, which can give you wider angle, like which we have installed here also for showcasing. We have MTR solutions. MTR is the Microsoft Teams solution here, which is giving you the ace of getting into the meetings there, which is secure way of communicating in terms of talk about the corporate secure way of communicating. Nowadays, after COVID, I saw a very vast difference. Like I would say in India or maybe global also, the digitization has taken place abruptly, and like at home also, even if like a small common person, he was not knowing about what hybrid classroom is, right? Or how do I communicate video call, or how do I I should communicate through video, like through phone or through video calls with others. Now we know, like everybody knows, every common people can do video calls or can have their hybrid classrooms in the setup, and we don't have to explain them what is hybrid classroom. Right? So this digitization has happened post-COVID. It's blessing in disguise, I would say. Okay, like everybody knows about it. We don't have to explain how do you do the hybrid classrooms, or how do you communicate with like if you have a meeting, how do you communicate through Teams, Zoom, or Google? So it has become a common. If I would, like, as far as ViewSonic is concerned, we had a AI pen in 2017. We introduced in our software, AI pen, right? That was a lower version of AI. Now the AI has developed, and everybody is talking about AI now. We have introduced some of the AI features into it, like creating a class lessons or something which is AI. And now, because now the chat GPT or DeepSeek, it's all AI. So everybody is getting acclimatized to it. But I don't think I don't think this will replace everything. It's my personal opinion. I don't think that this will be replacing everything. Because, like if I will talk about the education part. So in classrooms, you need to have your personal knowledge. That matters a lot. If you are drafting a mail, everybody knows that if you draft a mail taking the help of ChatGPT, it will come to know. You will come to know like this is ChatGPT. Like I would say, human intervention with AI is better thing to move ahead. It's my opinion. That's what. Make in India, I would say we are having 90% of the IFP which we sell in India is Make in India. So we have factories, contractual factories across India which are manufacturing for us for IFP. We are we are going to make like these you see non-touch displays. Those are also Make in India. We are talking about Make in India for LEDs also now. We are talking about Make in India for projectors also. So they are at like lower percentage, but yes, we are doing it. Already done it. Based on our contracts, we are already getting manufactured.
Okay, the projectors and
not projectors. Projectors we are started. We have started. And we have started interactive flat panels we have been doing from last 2 years. Now we have started the LEDs also. Indian market is a very important market, and if you say in our thing, I would say. India reports to Taiwan, Taiwan reports to US. So we have a regional office in Taipei. The VSP is sending international. We are contributing around 60% of IFP to VSI because it includes small countries. And IFP, like Vietnam, Philippines, Southeast Asian countries, including Australia, New Zealand also. That is apart from China. So we are contributing, our contribution to VSI is in terms of IFP. Expansion is always on our cards. Yes, we are expanding. We are trying to expand ourselves into Pro AV segment more often now because we think Pro AV is going to expand more and more because of the digitization, and we are foreseeing that these type of products can be expanded into this market. And for this, we are expanding our SI base, consultant space, or Pro AV segments. Apart from education, we are good in education. I would say we are good in government segment. Yes, those are the segments which we are looking at.